Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. During the month of June, the Salesian Social America Network (RASS) offered a series of formative sessions and processes in virtual mode and with no limit on available places, with the aim of providing tools for daily tasks in the Salesian social works that are part of the network. We focused on formation in two areas: communication and psycho-emotional strategies. For this, we had the support of the Salesian Polytechnic University of Ecuador, the Salesian Institute Don Bosco Hall in Berkeley, California, and FHM Italy Onlus, they say from the network. Last June 9th, the itineraries team of the Salesian organization WYD Don Bosco 23, that is, the team in charge of developing the itineraries for the lead up to World Youth Day WYD Lisbon 2023, invited the different Salesian houses in Portugal to participate in a meeting of adult influencers. These participants or influencers have been recruited so that they can reach out to the youth of the various pastoral realities and those who are not normally the typical frequenters of ordinary pastoral works. The big goal is to reach all young people who have passed through Salesian houses, inviting them to join the journey of WYD Don Bosco 23 towards WYD Lisbon 2023. On 29 June 2022, in view of the Pope's Day, a one-day seminar on the theme, Synodality, the specific modus vivendi et operandi of the Church in India, was organized at the Don Bosco Theological Center, Chennai. As per the tradition of the Theologate, right from its inception, every year on 29 June, the solemnity of St. Peter and St. Paul, a papal document, is taken by DBTC for serious study and theological reflection. This year, the focus was on synodality, the specific modus vivendi et operandi of the Church in India. One of the aspects of Salesian spirituality is fidelity to the Church and devotion to the Pope. This seminar was no doubt a day invested in reflection and discussion, and everyone felt together the synodal spiritual bonding as children of the one triune God and Holy Mother of the Church. On Saturday, June 18th, the Salesian Boys and Girls Club of St. Peter and Paul Church in San Francisco, California, USA, celebrated its 100th anniversary. Father Meltonadder, SDB Provincial of the U.S. West Province SUO, presided at Mass for the Feast of Corpus Christi, assisted by Pastor Father Thuo Bui, SDB, before the evening celebration. Highlights of the evening included a reunion of sorts of over 450 former club members and friends, performances by the club youth's theatrical group, and the premiere of a 40-minute video documentary chronicling the club's rich history. Quite a number of Salesian vocations sprang during the 1930s to 1950s especially. Although an official girls' club ran alongside its big brother oratory, the Wandering Girls Oratory was finally folded into it, and the Salesian Boys and Girls Club became a reality in 1994. Today, the club has over 600 youth members and is doing the same activities with kids since its founding: athletics, theatre, educational support, a safe place for kids to congregate, accompanied by devoted lay ministers, many whom are former club kids themselves. From 25 to 30th September 2022 in Rome, at the Generalate of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the international conference will be held on the theme, The Contribution of the FMA to Education 1972 to 2022. Paths, challenges and perspectives promoted by the FMA Institute and organized by the Pontifical Faculty of Educational Sciences, Auxilium. Celebrating the 150th anniversary of the foundation of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, promoting a dialogue of study attentive to pluralism and stimulating a comparison with current challenges to relaunch its educational mission in the present and in the future, is the main objective that animates the international conference. The concluding session will take place on the morning of 30th September 2022, chaired by the Superior General of the FMA Institute, Sister Chiara Cazuala, and moderated by the Dean of the Auxilium Faculty, Sister Piera Rufinato, with reflections and perspectives on the educational and formative contribution that the FMA Institute can offer society today. The event will end with a Eucharistic celebration, which will be presided over by Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.